Bore da, na joke. Noswaith da. Good morning, no joke. Good evening. A deud y gwir, dwi ddim yn hoffi diodydd poeth o gwbl. To be honest, I don't like hot drinks at all. Cyfres 4, pennod 21, Series 4, Episode 21. Cest Ti, you had or you got. Right, today another irregular verb, which is cael. We're looking at the past simple preterite of it today, where we say things like I had, you had, or I got, you got, I got, you got, everybody, or whatever it was. Case is for I, KC, which is I had. I got today's story. No, I'm jumping ahead there. So, bore da doesn't have a soft mutation on da to tha, because bore is masculine. Noswaith, on the other hand, noswaith tha is feminine, and it causes da to become tha, a D to a double D. The digraph, the same sound that's in the English word the. So noswaith tha. Any others? Them, yeah, so dim is the negative particle, it's become them. Oh, gubble, so kubble, whole kind of word, has become gubble. C to a G after the preposition O, one of the 12 key prepositions. Actually 15, but there's more of them, but we just say that. So 12 key prepositions are am, ar, at, dan, dros, drwy, gan, heb, hyd, I, o, wrth. And you can have tan, tros, and trwy. That makes 15. And there's some others, but we've not gone into them yet. Okay, the story today is this. It uses the preterite of the past simple of cael, which is Casey, Cest Ti, cafodd or caeth, cawson, cawsoch, and cawson again. They're the different words for the different pronouns, meaning I had, you had, he had, she had, we had, you had plural, and they had, them kind of things. So the story today uses it tells you in the lesson exercise on some of the videos there as well, a different use for it. So when you say I was born under a wandering star, or whatever, whenever you say stuff like that. So here's the story for today. It shows you some of this, and what you're saying is Casey Vungheni, I was born. And what that's saying is I had my birth. It's just a long way around of saying it. It's called the passive voice, and you do it with the preterite of cael. That's how it's achieved in Welsh. So here we go. You'll see it in these sentences. You'll see it on the videos, as I said, and on the web lesson write-up. It's mentioned. So, Casey Vungheni yn Lloegr. I was born in England. Cest Ti dyfagu yng Nghymru hefyd. You also grew up in Wales. Gafodd hi ei wd y bore yma. Did she have a porridge this morning? Chawson ni ddim breakfast heddiw. We didn't have breakfast today. I'll go through that one more time. Casey Vungheni yn Lloegr. I was born in England. Cest Ti dyfagu yng Nghymru hefyd. You also grew up in Wales. Gafodd hi ei wd y bore yma. Did she have a porridge this morning? Chawson ni ddim breakfast heddiw. We didn't have breakfast today. Right, so these are them words. There's a quiz again, as usual. So what I've done, shown you, it's got the table fixed to the short form past simple preterite, inflected of cael, to have, to get, and it shows you in the blue with black writing the literary formal versions, and then it shows you top to the bottom, different quirky versions, and I put the more standard, more used ones towards the top of the list, usually, mostly. So that's what's going on with this table. If you hover over them, there's audio on there now, and you click on them and go off to a word page, which in time will have more information. Even more, I should say, because it has some information, but even more. Some good videos there. These Welsh with Us people did some good ones about 7-8 years ago. Lots of different tenses, very clear, like them. And then I've done a match-up game, and you're matching up things like, I show you at the foot, on this one I'm looking at, it says Hawson I ddim, Chaethon I ddim, or Chaethon I ddim, Chafon I ddim, and Cheson I ddim. And they're just different ways of like saying we did not have or we did not get. Hawson I ddim then, okay. So straight away, it's Cawson, you can see that. And the ni, Cawson I, so it's we something. And then it's past tense of cael, if you can remember it. So it's we got or we had, but then there's a them in there. So it's we got, had not. So we didn't have or get. So it's negated. And what you're doing there is to negate it, you put mixed mutation upon the word cawson. So because cawson, because of a C, and that's one of the three letters that takes aspirate mutation, PC or a T, then you go with ch, k becomes ch, aspirate mutation. If it begins with some other letter that had soft mutation and not aspirate mutation, then you do that. So that's what mixed mutation is. It'll do aspirate mutation, or if you can't do that, it'll do soft mutation. If you can't do that, then it just stays as it is. That's what's going on there. So you'll see chawson and chawsoch on the quiz there and things like that. And then you'll see cawson and cawsoch, which is the affirmative, the normal positive statement versions that aren't negated or questions. Lots of sentences, trying to work on that for you. So we have good flashcards, lots of sentence examples, lots of audio, building sentences yourself. I don't expect you to get it all right, and you don't have to keep going through it all, but just do what you can, use what you can. Hopefully you find it useful. Some people that. I can see there's a few people. So get in touch if I've made a mistake or something's doing your head in, or you think I could change something, make it better, or you like things and just want to pat me on the back, or you want to send me loads of cash. But I'm not doing it for the cash. But if you want to send me loads of cash, I can handle that. I could put up with that, yeah. But transfer it as well. That'd be handy. I'm only kidding anyway. Right, new words. There's some new words amongst these new words. Towel is one. It's not a towel, not going drying yourself off after a shower. It means quiet, that's one of them. I'm running out of time here, so I'm conscious. Other new words, there's not many on this one, but obviously we're going over stuff. Eidalwyr, Italians, but men tend to. So, ŵr on the end of a word means man or a person, and wir means a plural of that. So, Eidalwyr means Italians. Right, I've got to go.